welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So you guys, I'm bringing you another affordable hair first impressions video. I've been hair in a long time. So you guys, if you want to hear what I think, my first impression about this hair, how did I install it, go ahead and continue watching this video. You guys, this is 3 bundles in 18, 20, and 22. I didn't use all the hair. I'm gonna show you guys how much hair that was left over. And this is from the 18-inch. So yeah, so it does give you a full head of hair. So you guys, I want to come back. I don't want to keep talking too much. I want to show you guys a little clip of how I installed it. If you want to see a more detail on how I do my units, go ahead, just like a little clip here and there, so you can get the idea of how I did it. So yeah, so let's just go check that out, and I'll be back with my final impressions. Okay. As you see in the video, when I first started, I was going to sew it down, the closure, but I'm like, I don't think this hair gonna last that long. And it's like, it's not just, come on now, it's like a master mix of human and synthetic hair. So I'm like bumped in, I got lazy, so I just had to do the closure down on the dome cap. And I also just added the powder, so because it was a black dome cap, so I just tried to line it up a little bit. I didn't have to do too much. Y'all see how long this parting is in this closure. You can't beat it. So yeah, and if I did mention, yeah, I got a closure, 16-inch closure. So yeah, I really can't say too much badness about it. I already feel like it's gonna be like a little bit of tangle. I did buy me some mousse just to put on it, but I really love this hair, like, for now, y'all. But yeah, my first impression is like I said, so the hair is very, very, very soft. Yeah, and I just love this curl pattern. Yeah, and I must say, I can feel that it's gonna get matted like any other synthetic wig in the back with curly. I wouldn't recommend sewing it in. I recommend like more making a unit or doing a quick weave out of this hair. Half up, half down hairstyle would be very, very cute. I started to do that at first, but I didn't feel like doing all that. So yeah, so you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like for me to do an update on this hair, I know you guys like when I do the updates. So yeah, just comment down below and say yes, do update. And you guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.